Welcome back, gadget lovers. Today we've got 8 next-level gadgets you'll want to get your hands on. From a 10-second e-bike upgrade to a smart home gym, a shower diffuser that turns your bathroom into a spa, and even an AI companion with emotional memory, these tech marvels are built to make life smarter, smoother, and a lot cooler. Stay tuned and discover the future in every frame. Transform your regular bike into a powerful e-bike in just 10 seconds with Kamingo. This compact ultralight system features a 750-watt peak power motor, a 266-watt-hour EV-grade battery, and a smart controller, all working seamlessly to deliver up to 55 miles of assisted range. Kamingo installs instantly without tools and fits in your backpack when not in use. With cruise, assist, and standby modes, plus regenerative braking and water resistance, it's perfect for commutes or weekend rides. Compatible with most bike types, it uses advanced pressure adaptive technology to adjust tire contact in real time, ensuring smooth, safe rides without wear. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising city streets, Kamingo gives you the freedom and flexibility of a premium e-bike without changing the bike you love. Meet ScentXpresso, the world's first in-shower smart aromatherapy diffuser. Just press to start and enjoy instant relaxation with no setup, no measuring, and no mess. Its patented fresh fusion technology mixes water and essential oils in real time, delivering consistent, powerful aroma every session. Adjust intensity across 5 levels to match your mood, and switch scents in seconds with Quick Switch. ScentXpresso works with any essential oil, or use their NFC-enabled wild farm blends. The Smart Halo breathing light helps guide your breath for deeper relaxation, and the dishwasher-safe water tank, mesh, and chamber make cleanup effortless. Control everything from the app, set spa duration, scent strength, and monitor oil, water, and battery levels. No tools or plumbing needed, just mount, press, and escape. Meet Hyperformer, your all-in-one smart home gym. Whether you're missing personal training or can't get to the gym, Hyperformer delivers strength, cardio, fat burning, sculpting, and recovery, all from home. Its sleek foldable design fits into any routine with 500-plus guided workouts and real-time AI coaching to keep your form safe and effective. Powered by a digital motor drive, it offers smooth, intelligent resistance from 0 to 70 kilograms with 0.5 kilograms precision. Hyperformer Smart Chip personalizes workouts to your goals, tracks every session, and auto-logs your progress. No more boring equipment, just dynamic, full-body training anytime, anywhere. Enjoy core to full-body sculpting, strength to stretching, all in one device. Skip the gym. Get stronger, fitter, and more confident right at home with Hyperformer. Take power on the go with the Anker 548 power bank, packed with a massive 60,000 mAh capacity to keep your devices running anytime, anywhere. Charge your phone and laptop simultaneously with 60 watts and 27-watt USB-C ports, or power up multiple devices using USB-A and XT60 outputs. With a massive 192 watt-hour capacity, it's perfect for eco-friendly outdoor charging. Need backup during emergencies? It features a built-in retractable light and SOS mode for added safety, plus auto lighting during blackouts for instant visibility. Its smart digital display shows battery status and usage clearly, keeping you in control at all times. Whether you're camping, traveling, or facing a power outage, the Anker 548 delivers reliable, sustainable energy wherever you go. Meet the Shark CryoGlow, a high-tech LED face mask designed to give your skin a radiant, youthful glow in just minutes. This futuristic mask offers 4 powerful treatments: a 6-minute anti-aging session with red and infrared LEDs to reduce fine lines, an 8-minute acne-clearing mode using blue, red, and infrared light, and a 4-minute glow-enhancing routine for daily skin radiance. Plus, its under-eye cooling feature with InstaChill cold technology visibly tightens skin in just one use, offering 3 chill levels for soothing comfort. Chemical-free, safe for all skin types, and based on clinical studies, it's your all-in-one skincare upgrade. Whether you're tackling acne, aging, or just want to look fresher, CryoGlow does it all in under 10 minutes a day. Transform your kitchen into a mini farm with the Lettuce Grow Farm Stand Nook, a sleek, 20-plant hydroponic system that grows fresh veggies and herbs right inside your home. The Lettuce Grow Nook lets you grow fresh vegetables, herbs, and even flowers right inside your home. With a 9-gallon self-watering tank and space-saving design, you can enjoy nutrient-rich harvests in just 3 to 4 weeks, no green thumb required. Choose from over 100 non-GMO seedlings, each just $2.99, and get guided support through a smart companion app that offers tips and plant alerts. Unlike store-bought produce, this system preserves up to 55% more nutrients and delivers unbeatable farm-fresh flavor. Whether it's herbs for cooking or leafy greens for salads, Farmstand Nook brings your garden indoors all year round. Meet the Satechi Find All Wallet Card, a smart, credit card-sized tracker designed to keep your wallet safe and always within reach. Seamlessly integrated with Apple's Find My app, it lets you track your wallet, bag, or other valuables in real time and receive instant left-behind alerts. With a loud sound locator and Bluetooth 5.4, you'll find your items quickly, whether indoors or outdoors. It charges wirelessly via Qi 2 or MagSafe and runs up to 16 months on a single charge. Built with aluminum and tempered glass, it's lightweight, durable, and waterproof with an IP66 rating, perfect for everyday carry. Plus, its sleek design fits any wallet without adding bulk. Stay connected and never lose your essentials again. Meet Euvola, the world's first emotional AI companion device designed to connect with your feelings, not just your voice. It features an 8-inch HD touchscreen and uses proximity and ambient light sensors to greet you warmly as you approach. Upload a photo and voice clip to recreate the presence of someone you miss, bringing emotional comfort into your daily life. Euvola stores every conversation and memory locally, creating a lifelong emotional bond that grows over time. Its empathy-driven AI listens with psychological understanding and responds like a true companion. With no camera and optional cloud sync, your moments stay private and secure. Ambient lighting shifts based on mood, making the device feel alive and emotionally aware. Whether you're facing loneliness, grief, or simply need to feel heard, Euvola offers quiet support and lasting connection right when you need it most. Thanks for watching, gadget lovers. If you enjoyed these awesome innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech. Drop your favorite gadget in the comments. And as always, stay curious, stay upgraded.